Act natural. Camera loves you.
Hey! What do you think you're doing?
I'm doing it.
This is yours.
Huh?
That's your
Bear spray.
Mine's in the
Bear spray.
I have my toes.
Okay. Oh man, this is gonna be a weird recording. Are you ready?
These black ties are disgusting. Damn it.
Huh? Ooh,
These ties are awful.
I'll eat them. I can't hold this in my hand, they'll give me a ticket. Sure. Thank you. Should we go the back way or the front?
Go whichever way you want.
You can get the front. Pretty cool.
It just looks like a glaring ball.
You don't know what it's gonna look like. Uh-oh.
$7-Eleven.
7-Eleven. The one by McDonald's?
No, the one by home. We have to get our cigarettes.
Why? It's always packed there. We'll go to the other one where it's empty. Same price, right?
Mm-hmm. Should be.
So I can get a holder for that?
Yeah.
You're recording the dashboard. Okay, you can stop. Thank you.